Everybody ignores ashtrays at the thrift store, but after this video, I don't think you're going to. I found a whole bunch of different ways to turn these overlooked pieces into something beautiful, useful, completely unexpected. So let's get started. One thing that you never have a hard time finding at the thrift store is ashtrays. It's just not something that we use that much anymore in our homes. And there's so many beautiful ones that we can use other than as an ashtray. I have lots already in my home, tucked into little corners that I'm using for different ideas, and I'm excited to show you today. And I picked a few up at the thrift store, and any that I picked up none of them were over $2. So I'm gonna throw these all in the dishwasher, wash them up, and I hope you're gonna find some inspiration. I love having a little stash of ashtrays in my craft room. They are so handy. The first one that I use all the time, this has kind of a raised notched in it. They make fantastic paint palettes. You can put your paint in there. Your paintbrushes will lay right in those little notches. Such a clever way to use ashtrays, and cleanup is easy. It's a little glass dish. You can clean it up after you've used it. Another thing that I love using them for is to hold my beads when I'm doing beading projects. They will fit right in those little notches, holds all kinds. Look at this beautiful cut glass ashtray, and the wooden beads fit in there great. Really great for hanging on to little things that might kind of fall away on you. Also love it for pins and paper clips. Keeps everything in one place and really organized. This is another great way to use an ashtray, is use it to set up your hot glue gun. Now mine has a little stand, but I know a lot of them don't. You can put your ashtray underneath it. It will hold all your glue sticks and give you kind of like a hot glue station to keep everything organized. This one I'm going to add some embellishments on. I'm gonna flip it over. It's beautiful cut glass. It's really heavy. I'm gonna use my hot glue gun. Now you can use a permanent glue if you know that you're always going to use it for that, but I'm not sure. So when I'm doing that, I always use a hot glue gun because you can always just kind of pop them off if you ever change your mind and you wanna do something else. So you could use some E6000 if you wanted it permanent, but this right now is going to be perfect. We're gonna add 4 little feet on here. Like that. Did I have them even? the magic of video. Let's see what I'm gonna pop this off so I can show you. See, it pops right off. And you can add some more hot glue and make them so they look more even. There we go. And flip it over and you have a raised ashtray that I love keeping by my bedside and putting little rings or my watch or earrings in, and it just makes it kind of look really elegant with the cut glass. What about using it at your coffee bar to hold your spoons or your little stir sticks? It just kind of makes it look a little more elegant, a little more fancy, and you're not going out and buying something new that you can probably buy for $1 at the thrift store. Ashtrays are also fantastic for keeping beside the stove as a spoon rest or a spatula rest, and it works really well. And they have the slots in there so they're not going to move around. I think this is a clever idea. What about using an ashtray as a tea bag holder? You can keep it up at your coffee bar. You've made your cup of tea, you've got your spoon, and you can put it right here, and it's all kept nice and neat and tidy. And you can also, when it's finished, throw it in the dishwasher and it's gonna wash up really well. I think ashtrays are wonderful to put under plants and pots, especially if they have a hole in them. It's gonna let them drain, and it's gonna be a pretty spot to have that happen. I was so excited when I found this pot, and it fit into this ashtray perfectly. I've had this one in my home for quite a while, and it just kind of elevates the whole look. Now, here's a little tip. If you have an ashtray and you don't want it to be that crystal look, you want it to be painted, first thing you do, make sure that it's not worth any money. You want to do a Google search because some of these are actually pretty collectible. If you find out they're not, you need to prime it first. So you're going to grab a primer, put a light coat on your ashtray, let it dry completely, and then you can go back in with your spray paint or your paint and paint it to the color that you want. If you just paint it, it's going to peel off and it's not going to stick that well. I do find with this type of a project, a primer is a must. Look at this beautiful ashtray. It's kind of got like an amber, almost like a burgundy look. It's big, it's heavy, it's gorgeous. It is perfect for incense. If you like to burn incense, these work really well. You want to make sure that it's going to fit in your ashtray and not burn off. So what I usually do is I'll just break off the little end, make sure that it fits in there, light your incense and burn it, and you know that it's contained and it's safe in this beautiful ashtray. Another great idea is to grab a candle. I've got some decorative stones. These are really great for out on the patio or the deck in the summer. Just put your candle in the middle, kind of elevates the whole look. I love that, and this ashtray is absolutely beautiful. Sometimes you can come across some really gorgeous ashtrays. Look at this brass one. It's solid brass. I kind of like the tarnished look of it, and I haven't really found a great way to really clean up brass really well. Have any tips or tricks on cleaning brass? Leave them down below in the comments. And if there's a product that you use or something a technique that works really well, I would love to know. But these are great for holding change at the doorway. My husband is notorious for emptying out his pockets and just throwing them on a cabinet. So I now keep a little ashtray there, and it all gets put in a bundle here. And then I actually pick out the loonies and toonies, and that's my Tim Hortons money. And Souvenir ashtrays, some of them are so tacky, but they're still fun. But when I found this one, I'm like, this is not tacky. This is beautiful. It's from London, and it's got a picture of the London Bridge. It says Tower Bridge, London. And I think I paid $2.99 for this one. Great for, again, keeping at your door. Throw your keys in it, and it's a lot cuter than just a plain ordinary dish that you would keep your keys in. So keep your eye out for those touristy ashtrays and special ones that could be brass. This is an ashtray from a hotel. The Skyline, maybe somebody stuck it in their pocket when they were checking out, but it is the perfect size for a bar of soap that you can put at your bathroom counter and have it nice and neat and clean. And I think it's beautiful. Also, we have this little round ashtray. It is fabulous for holding your brush at the kitchen sink to wash your dishes. And again, it keeps it nice and neat and clean. The nice thing that I like about these ashtrays is when they get dirty, just throw them in the dishwasher, wash them up. They come out sparkling clean, and you're ready to use them again. So this is two really great ways to upcycle ashtrays. I love to put things together that weren't meant to be. So when I saw this little ashtray and this little vase, I thought they need to be together. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna just use my hot glue gun. I don't wanna make it permanent in case I change my mind later. And I find with the hot glue, it will pop right off. It keeps it in place and it's sturdy, but when you're ready to change your mind, it'll pop right off instead of using like an E6000 or something that's very permanent. We're just going to place this right in the center. That looks great. And how cute is that? It looks like it was meant to be together. I love making these little things and then putting them on a bathroom counter. They hold maybe bobby pins or maybe some elastics or some hair clips, and it just kind of elevates it, makes it fun, and a great use for ashtrays. These are great for putting out if you're having a party with maybe some nuts or olives or lemon wedges. Just clean them up really well, throw them in the dishwasher, scrub them, and they are like brand new and they will sparkle. I love when I'm having a party, just putting it on the counter full of nuts. And this one, you can hardly even tell there's little indents in the ashtray. So I think that's a clever way to upcycle some of these ashtrays. So did I change your mind about thrift store ashtrays? Tell me in the comments which idea you would actually use. And if you've ever turned something unexpected into something beautiful, I would love to hear that too. Thanks so much for spending some time with me. And if you love this video, I'm sure you're gonna really love the next one. Let's keep hanging out.